Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, we have this woodshed that comes right off our living room that Bob made. And there's a few sheets of tin that he's going to take off there. He's using his backhoe here, go up and take those tin off and put clear. And then in the spring, I have a greenhouse. And if it gets cool in the greenhouse, just open the window. The heat from the house goes out there. Gets rid of all of this out of my house. My mess. Bob is just pre-drilling the holes. So I finally got everything moved out to the closed-in sun porch here, and just gives me a little bit of extra room. And they're enjoying the sun, and I have the door open today because it's a beautiful day. Close it at night, keep the heat in. Works perfect.